This 5-day itinerary covers the city of Phuket. It is great for the first-time visitors who are looking for a blend of relaxation and immersion in a vibrant city. In this video, we will share our travel plans, including our accommodations, transportation, and favorite foods within the island. We aim to be efficient and to make the most of our time within our short stay. We arrived in Phuket on Monday around noon from Zanzibar after a short layover in Oman. We downloaded and used Grab, a local travel service app, to take us 1 hour from the airport to the Patong beach area where our vacation rental was located. When we arrived at the vacation rental, we checked in, settled down, and explored Bangla Road and Bangla Street Market with no specific agenda. The area we stayed in was walkable, but we continued to use Grab to book rides for any locations that were more than a 30-minute walk away. We spent the following day lounging and relaxing on Patong Beach. By evening, we branched out to explore the Bangla and the Patong street markets, the Young Chelon Mall, and the Banzan Market directly across from the Thai boxing arena. Overall, this was a day to unwind and move at our own pace since we were just coming from spending the previous week in Zanzibar.
It's 9 a.m. and nobody's out here.
We booked a visit for Wednesday morning at the Yona Beach Club from 9:30 a.m. to 2 p.m. During this time on a weekday, it has a much smaller crowd and a relaxed vibe. Yona is known to be packed with a party atmosphere, and we wanted to avoid that since Bangla Road was exciting enough. After leaving the Yona Beach Club, we headed to the beach to decompress, and then we went back to the room to freshen up for the dinner and further explore the street markets. On day 4, we attended a cooking class at the Blue Elephant Thai Cooking School, which was roughly a 45-minute tuk-tuk ride away from the Patong beach area. We booked this class directly on their website. The class begins with a market tour at Ronong Main Market in Phuket, Old Town.
Because they have men and women. The other side of the eye is different. But in Thai we call one-eye fish. This one popular for deep fry. Which one is male? And we have also many types of eggplant. This is we call long eggplant. Long eggplant popular for curry and salad. We grill and the light one, the creamy one. Because when they make the milk, they use the old coconut. This is the coconut meat. A lot of flavor inside.
After we explored the market with our chef, we returned to the school to start cooking.
It's always a late friend.
Like a party baking leg. This is additional coriander root.
Coriander root.
Yeah, coriander root. You crush and you spice.
Going in for round 2. Time to make the fish. feel about your meals? Feel like you did a good job?
After the class, we further explored Old Town Phuket. We had customized passport covers made and popped in and out of random stores. It was overall a more chill environment than Bangla Road and Patong Beach. We then took a tuk-tuk from Old Town to Chillva Night Market. Chillva Night Market was different, not only for its quirky bohemian vibe, but because they also sold a lot of clothing and jewelry, so it's perfect for thrifters. We then ended the day with a foot massage on Patong Beach. On our last day, we booked a southern food tour with over 15 tastings on Viator.com. We met up with our group at 10 a.m. It was a great tour. However, if I could do this whole trip again, I would begin with the southern food tour on day 1 or 2, so that I would have a better understanding of what I was seeing in the street food markets around town.
Thank you. Thank you.
After the tour, we took a 1-hour public bus ride back to Patong Beach. We got tattoos at Check-In Tattoo. We intentionally planned to get tattoos on our last day so that we wouldn't have to worry about extreme sun exposure and salt water at the beach. Our flight left around midnight and the airport was 1 hour away. So after getting our tattoos, we got back to our room around 8 p.m., packed, got ready to head to the airport, and checked out all by 9 p.m. We got to the airport around 10 p.m. in ample time for our flight at midnight. If this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and follow along with our travels on all social media platforms at Traveling Black Woman. We will see you in the next video.